Installation and registration of leostar app. Leostar Kundli app is developed by Future Point. It's one of the world's renowned astrology software development company. The application is free to use, but some of the advanced features are only available in the paid version. If you are Android user, you can download leostar app from the Google Play Store. And if you are iPhone user, you can download leostar app from App Store of your phone. Now, after installing, open the app. If you are a new user, it will ask for the registration. It's very simple to register. I'll show you how. Just click on New User Register. And now, enter your name, your mobile number, your mail ID, and then set password of your choice. You will get an OTP for the registration. We can see that here is option. You can select whether you want OTP on email ID or on your mobile number. And also, if you are an international user, please get OTP on email ID. App has used outreach OTP feature from SMS in case of OTP being sent to mobile phone. It will automatically verify the OTP. Registration is done. App is ready to use. Now, in case you are already a leostar Kundli app user, it's very simple. You just have to enter your registered mobile number and your password, and then click to the login icon. What if you forget your password? In that case, enter your registered mobile number and click on Forgot Password. App will send an OTP on your registered mobile number or mail ID and try to verify it automatically. If not verified automatically, it will show screen to enter the OTP. Just enter OTP you have received and click on Confirmed icon. After verification of OTP, you will see another screen where you have to set new password. After entering new password, click on Reset icon. Password is changed. Now you can log in with your new password and enjoy facilities on our app.